But we're in a Bajaj RE. I'd like to show you the difference between reversing a Bajaj RE and a TVS King. In a Bajaj, it really is a two-handed job, so I'm going to struggle here because I'm holding the video camera. But let's presume we've just stopped, we're in first gear. You've got to go into neutral. Pull this lever. Go back to first gear. And then you can reverse. Now to go forward again, you've got to go back to neutral. Put that lever down into first gear and pull away again. It's a lot of palaver and you just cannot do it quickly. I'll tell you the difference we're now in the TVS. To go into reverse, you just move that to R and reverse. To go forward, you just move it to 1 and you're ready to move forward. It is that quick. It's probably quicker to get into reverse gear in a TVS than it is a car. It just don't come any quicker. So easy.